FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects data in project management systems. You can create a backup schedule for your planner to run automatically in just a few simple steps. When you sign up for FluentPro Backup, an onboarding wizard will open. You can immediately add your first planner environment and schedule a backup. Click the Add Environment button. FluentPro Backup supports multiple environments for the backup. Select Planner from the list. Click Connect and sign in to Planner. Click Continue. Select the Backup Content option. You can include all the plans from your planner system or only a few. Alternatively, select all and ignore the ones you don't need. Microsoft 365 groups for selected plans will also be backed up. Click Next. Now you can define the schedule for the backup for both modified and unmodified plans. Click Save. Your first backup is now scheduled to run. You can monitor the backup process details and its progress on the summary page. Alternatively, open the Operation Details page to track progress and review its status. Within just a few minutes, all your critical plan data will be fully protected, and you can restore your data when needed. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.